We at ABC have been proving every day since 1980 that profitability, social responsibility, and expertise complement each other perfectly. Our 240 employees are our most important resource. They give their best every day without compromise, work at the highest international level of quality, and always have a finger on the pulse of technology. Due to ongoing training and continuing education, we always keep our focus on our customers' success. They are focused on their core competencies, such as developing and planning their products. We focus on our core competence, contract production. This reduces the risk and costs, which is a decisive competitive benefit for our clients. Precision is our standard, exception our norm. Our strength lies in diversity, and our customers profit from that. ABC stands for high-end contract production with a sense of social responsibility.